Hello, my name is Luis Oliveira, and this is my final presentation. My sign is Physiotherapy for All. This site is a special site that offers physiotherapy service but at clinic at home to post-operate patients, patients with sequels of stroke, accidents, etc. What is the target of this site? Patients of all ages after surgery with sequelae of stroke, accidents, people who require special care of motor, neuromuscular, or respiratory physiotherapy. Right now, let's check some things about the design. The typography that I chose for the headings was Ubuntu. The second option for the paragraph was OWL as well. I chose not to use solid fonts because it seems to me that reading it easier, especially on small screen. Also, with the use of the sans serif, I seek to give a feeling of simplicity and modernity. The colors chosen were aquamarine, dark blue, yellow, and green. The background in aquamarine for the navigation bar and the footer, in principle for being striking color, which contrasts excellently with the color of yellow dark, green, and dark blue. In order to comply with the objective project, this site have a home page, this is showing here, in which the objectives of the site are generally described, and the brief mention of the service that we offer in the site are described. I have a theme page that will correspond to About Us page, in which the people that make up the patient care team are present. A brief introduction of their clinic experience and degrees are described here. Also in the site, we have two service pages. The first one specified the service that are offered in the clinic, and in the second one are described the patient service. Finally, I have a contact page in which the user can make the specific request or mark our attendance directly. It should be noted that additionally, the link of the styles and the practice of the course are included here. All the links works. To finish, I would like to thank for your attention, and I want to reiterate once and again that throughout the course I had been able to learn many things. Then that perseverance and practice are important for personal growth. Thanks for attention.